Okay, in the last video, we assumed everything was working, but after further testing, this was not the case. So today we will continue the adventure of bringing SingNow to life. Let's do it. Okay, let's send in a prompt. I don't think everything is working. Firstly, comma, it's nice to be able to host a party anonymously, but I actually want to make sure folks that create a party have a login, period. So let's make sure that happens. Let me know if you need, I'll just give it to them. This is the test user you should try with. After he's created the room, you could load an incognito browser or restart your browser and test with a guest user, period. Instead of assuming things work, actually search for a song and add it to the queue. So I was watching what it was doing, and it looks like it's still having issues. Let's see what the results say. You could log in. That's great. Host a party. That's great. So it found a permission issue, but it couldn't resolve it. I mean, I'm giving it access to the permissions here, so I don't understand what's the issue. I've given Gemini a couple tries to get this right. It couldn't do it, so I'm moving over to Opus, which is Claude. I'll start a new chat. Well, let's just see. Let's leave it. Let this. I'm switching to Claude because Gemini was not able to resolve this issue. Period. Take a look at my context. Period. Gemini claims there is a Firestore security rule issue that's preventing rooms to be created. However, it's obvious I have Firestore config files locally, so it should have made the changes, period. I'm hoping you're smarter and can get this job done. Fix the security rules and use the browser to test creating a party as an admin and then logging in as a guest and search for songs to add to the karaoke queue. Okay, Claude, I think everything I was watching it do its thing, and I think it fixed everything. So let's test it out. Let's go. Let's go to, gonna start a new room, host a party, log in as my test user. Don't want to save this. So this is the code for the room. How will this work? Let me just look at how the other system worked. Is that? Okay, yeah, I guess we just have to copy this code here. Let's go back here as a guest. So for the actual system, you'd probably just scan that code, put in your name. Oh yeah, and I should still have the host on the other page. Darn, so let's go recently closed. Okay, so yeah, sorry, logistically I should have. It's a little confusing because there's a host and there's a guest. I wonder if it's going to work on the same browser. Okay, let's keep this one open. Let's use this code here. Okay, joined another party. We're going to search for a song. Okay, there's a song. It was added to a queue. But okay, so it's getting there, but the host is not playing the songs right now. So I got to ask Claude to fix that. So I'll tell Claude. The experience is looking good. On the host side, when a song was added to the queue, period, it was not playing the song from the host, period. Can you see what's going on? Question mark. Okay, so it's getting there, but it's saying that the player didn't play the song because it wasn't allowed. So we're going to add, when you're searching for a song, only add songs that are allowed to be embedded. When a user searches for a song, only allow songs that can be embedded in the search results. Also, check my requirement that the first person that gets into a room becomes an admin. I was watching it do its thing and things are looking good. So let's test this. I'm going to go back to my browser here, log in as a host. Let's host a party. Let's give it the username password. Okay, so that's the party. I'm going to copy this room code. Real folks would use their phones and then they would be directed to the right URL with the right room number, joining a party with this room. And then my name is here. I should be an admin because I'm the first person. I'm going to search for a song. I'm going to add this. It's supposed to play. It did. Okay, great. Let's find another song. Let's see if I can turn back time. Okay, so you can see I'm a host and I can delete songs. I'll be able to move songs too. This is almost there. So let's just do one more thing. Okay. So this would be playing. This would be playing on your laptop. Interesting. Can't really pause it. Okay. So we're not able to pause. Things are looking great. The host should have the ability to pause or skip the current song. Period. Also, the host should be able to change the order of songs in the queue. Period. And then there's also supposed to be a users tab where the host can select and deselect who else are admins for the party. I have a weird feeling you're not supposed to like see the parts where you I have an editing system made by AI that only it edits out all the parts where I don't speak. But I think the songs that we're playing is going to mess up my program, so I apologize for the bad editing. But I think everything should be working. I was watching it do its thing. You might be asking me why don't I just use Claude for everything? Right now I'm using it as a surgeon instead of a doctor. But we'll see. Sometimes I like working with a doctor because I can still see mistakes it goes through. But I have to admit, Claude is doing an amazing job. So let's see if we can actually test this out. I'm going to go here, host a party. I'm going to log in again, start party. Going to join the party, give it a code. I am the first one in. Gonna pick a song, pick another song. Okay. All right, you can see it working.